Took a look at pound AUD. I noticed this level of macro support here, and I was waiting to see what happened in this area. We said price could either reject at the bottom of it, or it could break above, retest, and continue to move up to try to test a higher level. And that's exactly what happened. We got the break above, a break above this retest, and now we're testing this microstructural level. From here, let's see if we get that reversal pattern that we were looking for. Now that prices hit the 50 and it's making this move, if we get another rejection, there's a chance we could get this. So let's just wait and see on how this turns out. From here, this is a great spot to take a sale. If this level holds up. So yeah, if this support level holds up, this will be a good entry for our sale. Okay, we're looking for sales on Visa. As you can see, Visa fell out of our zone, our sell zone. On the 15-minute. All right, I said what we would do is we would watch this on the 15-minute to see if price falls out of our sell zone. And if we get a fall out of this sell zone, we'll wait on a retest to enter. So our entry was this retest here for the sell. Now, I told you the stop loss would be above the structural level that we just broke, and we're going to try to catch Visa headed in this direction to fill the gap here. Okay, so as far as TPs, we'll take a look at the lows here. Let's look at, and then we'll look at, let's just go for 50% of the gap being filled. What's going on, everybody? Back live on. What's going on? What are we on? What are we on? We on YouTube and Facebook. Okay. What's going on, everybody? We're back live on YouTube and Facebook. Last night we looked at this Visa setup. A Visa sale for option plays. Price came back into our sell zone. Fell now. What's going on, everybody? We're back live on YouTube and Facebook. Last night we looked at this. To catch these moves for free for the rest of the month. I'll be doing this for the rest of the $300 challenge. Fell a lot of our sales on to put you on profit. Alright, so right now, $213 to $212. We also looked at. We're looking to see. We're looking to see if Disney could continue up to around 157. Right here, it looks like we had a retest. Did it hit this area? Didn't quite hit this area. So let's waiting to see if Disney can manage to stay above this level. If so, then we could definitely see that, that 157 level being hit. We also looked at MA. Okay, on the hour on MA, we have a double top being printed, but we need to wait for the close of this hour candle, and we have 30 minutes and 40 seconds left within this hour candle to determine what we have going on. Like I said, we don't bite on every reversal pattern we see. Because there's a chance that this could be printing a bull flag and you don't want to get caught in something like that. So we just wait on confirmations, multiple confirmations before we enter in the setup. But that looks like if it is still going up, this would have been a good area to take a quick buy to catch it going to the highs. Still giving you a decent 1 to 3 setup if this area holds up, but I'm not going to trade continuations. We're going to find rejections. We're trading based off of rejections or break and retest. So we're currently up on Visa. You have mRNA pulling back. Feeling 100% of this gap. This gap fill just so happened to fall on another structural level. Yeah, let's see how. Excuse me, let's see how price reacts right here at this level. So we got a gap. Well, we got a rejection and we refilled 100% of the gap on mRNA, and are right underneath a structural level, which will now be resistance, and our 200-day EMA is traveling right above this level. So from here, let's see, there is a chance that we could see a rejection. If we get that rejection, we could we'd be looking at a potential lower low from this case. Yeah, so let's come back. We really don't have. We're gonna wait until we see at least one reversal candle printed. You can trade based off of aggressive entries where you just enter in your setups whenever your zone or your areas are hit, and make sure you give yourself a decent stop loss. So, for instance, if I were to trade aggressively here, what I would do is make sure I had my TP up here. Our target area is down here in this buy zone what we were looking at, which still gives you a nice setup. Now, what we're actually waiting on now at this moment is some type of confirmation candle, a move, and then we're entering on a retest or a break above, a strong close, a retest, and we'll enter there. We also looked at P-Ton. Yo, AUD, cool. So we wanted to see what would happen with P-Ton right here at this microstructural level. We said there was a chance that price could continue to go down, or price could pull back to retest here. So this is where we're gonna enter and test out this sell setup on P-Ton just to see if this structural level will hold true. The stop loss, we will put it over the 50. Okay. Again, we risk all our trades based off of percentage. So we use either 3, 6, or 9%. Right now I'm using 9%, and I am going to see if we can catch the continuation of this sale. Now let's go ahead and find the TPs. Our stop loss is above the 50. Okay. So for the TPs, when the lows are broken, I'm going to take a TP here. I'm going to take one here. We're gonna go ahead and post this one. We haven't posted our trades, none of them from last week. I was moving so fast. I'm just now starting to do these lives, so I'm trying to develop a system where I could keep everything else that I was doing as far as sending them out and still publishing them. They're all in a group, but they're not published. So I got to get back on my stuff. Oh, you know what? Hold on one second. do it on the 4 hour. We don't have much time, so we'll just say Piton broke a micro structural level if price fails to break above. If price fails to break above, we'll see a continuation to the downside. Just publish. All right. Copy that link, send that link to the group. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, what else just went off? Had a couple alerts go off. Okay, as you guys see, we just entered this setup up here. What price touched? We got a pullback, so right now we are in profit. We entered in here. We got a slight pullback, so we are actually in profit on this setup on this Piton put. So let's go away and let's see how everything turns out. We are going to set alerts. Boom. Alert at the stop loss. Alert at the TPs. We're going to name them and we are going. We will not stare at this setup. Okay, so let's leave Piton right now. We got a nice move on Visa and Piton. Let's keep it moving. What else did we look at? I think that's all we looked at. Oh, MA. We're waiting on MA to reach this level to decide if we could possibly take advantage of another sale on MA from this area. On the 4 hour, we just rejected from the 200 EMA. On the 1 hour, we're waiting on that Double top to close. We still got 17 minutes left in that candle. Mm, Visa is still moving. Okay, now everything's set up on this. Mm-hmm. Good work, good work, good work, good work. Okay, so that is two for two on those setups. We're also taking a look at EA to see what happens here. We said with EA, as long as this high here isn't broken, then we could see a continuation in the downtrend and possibly a move to break the lows here in this area. So, as far as EA, that's what we are waiting on. Okay. We have any news? We had no major news yesterday. Pretty sure. Yep, no major news until the Aussie session. So we'll see what happens with our EA or our Aussie setups that we looked at. Okay, our AUD JPY just hit TP1. This is something else we looked at. Heading to TP2. Alright. Let me update this in the group. Send this in the group. Let them know TP1 is hit. TP1 AUD JPY hit. Okay. So, man, we are doing well. We are starting the week off amazing again. Looks like we are headed down to TP2 on AUD JPY. We also entered AUD USD. Boom. AUD USD also printed, well, is printing a double top from our sell zone. We are deep in profit on AUD USD as well. Cool. We did not look at AUD CAD at all. But with a quick look, this looks like a pullback to retest some level of structure. Actually, I haven't traded this pair in a while. Let me see. Okay. Okay, understood. Understood. Yes. So, this level was already reacted off of. From here, pull back to there. Wow, so I had this thing set up and didn't take the trades. Perfect setups that I missed. So pretty much I was looking for price to come back here, hit this zone, pull back to retest this area, then continue to sell. It actually played out perfect, and I missed it all trading Euro USD and Pound USD. They had crazy moves for the last couple of weeks. Last week, in particular, everything slowed down and we had more consolidation than anything. But the week prior to, man, major moves on those pairs. So I was glued and I missed this setup because I have no alerts on this one. Yep, I messed up. Let me stick to my system. So as of right now, that move that I was looking for is playing out, but I missed the entry that I wanted. So what I'll do is see where we are on a smaller time frame, because like I said, everything still looks pretty bearish, and we'll determine if there is a area where we could get a re-entry on this sale setup without putting ourselves in a bad position. Now at this point, price just broke below the 50 EMA, the 50 fib. So we have a major structural level right here on the 50. Excuse me. Price broke that 50 and it is now retesting it. Up here, we pretty much got wick rejections. So if this level holds true, then we won't get a break back above it. If we get a break back above it in a retest, we're looking at more a bullish reversal. But at this moment, I'm still leaning towards this sell. So let me see. If we just so happen to enter here, put our stop loss above let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, let's see this level. Let's take a fib from the swing low to swing high just to get a little idea where we are on this micro pullback. Okay, right now in the micro fib, we just had a rejection at the 50. That's funny. So you got a rejection at the micro and macro 50. Prices trading in between both of them. So we will. I think I'm going to send this setup out. It's looking okay to me. It's looking pretty smooth right now. Got an alert. Okay, this is what I need to see. Bearish divergence on the 2 hour we got a slight uptrend in price here, breaking above a 200 EMA. Then on our RSI, we have a downtrend. So that's another hit. I'm going to send this sell out. We're taking this. We are taking this. So let's see how everything turns out. Stop. Now, I'm going to tighten up my stop loss because this is also a possibility. There's a possibility that price could reject here, come stop us out, and retest this area here before making that move to the downside. Even though I think, even though there's a chance that we could have that this downtrend continue right here at this area, I don't want to get too wide with that stop loss because let's say for instance this move actually happens where we're stopped out. Everything you lost on this trade, we could get it right back with a tighter stop loss. So let's say we get stopped out here, price will retest that 50 again before making that move. Then we just place a stop loss underneath the 50, enter in here in this level, and we'll catch the move to the upside. And this is more than the 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So you'll lose 3%, 6%, or 9% depending on what risk you're using. And after that loss, you'll gain it right back. So that's why, because break and retest. Oh, let me hurry up and send this out. You're doing too much talking. Sell. Now give me 1 second in the group. I post the exact entries and exits for all of the trades. So I'm going to send this out right now. All right. So in this setup, I'm going to risk 9%. I'm going to use 3% for each TP. You put in the pair for them, AUD, CAD, sell. Stop loss is 0.91682. Our TP1 is 0.89942. 89942. TP2 0.88460. With the options plays, most of the more experienced traders trade the options, so I don't send everything like this. I just send the chart so they can see it. But the Forex, I normally put all of the coordinates for them. And number 3, 86819. Another thing look at risk, we're risking 60 pips. Got 60 pips stop loss. First TP is 113. Second TP 263. Third TP. So pretty much we're risking 9%. I just take each level here and multiply it by 3 to find out what the percentage move would be for each TP that we have, and I normally send that out as well. So you'll know, okay, I'm risking 9% to receive or gain this percentage as a return. This is a 1 to 8. So we're risking 9% to gain a possible 74% of your total account. But that's only if you hold all positions from our entry down to the exit. If you split your position size, it'll be a little less, but I always recommend splitting the position size just to take profit on what throughout the move, because you never know what happened. You could get a wick to eat up all your profits and take you out of trade setup. So it is always great to split your position size and take profit as you go. Just notice I didn't do the pips for the last one yet. Alright. So you're looking, if you split your position size, you're looking for a 21% return on the third TP, 12.6 return on the second TP, first TP. You're looking at 5.7% on the return, only if you split it. If you hold them all, you're looking at 74%. Alright, and that's it. Send it to the group. Boom. Also, to join the Discord group, click the link in the bio on the YouTube page. It'll give you access to the Discord group while everything is still free. We did a $300 challenge last month for everybody doing Forex, where we challenged them to put $300 into their account, follow all of our free setups to see what you would end the month out with as far as a percentage. We did 273% last month, so I decided to do another $300 challenge this month just to see what else we could do. Okay, so this setup is gone. We're gonna publish it. Let me see. Where's the news? Hmm. All right, you guys. This will be it for today. Okay, not see. Okay, so we will monitor our setups throughout the week. Same thing we did last week. Uh-oh. No. Let me go back and put an N in my downtrend. I still copy this link. Go back and edit that error I just saw. Copy link. Let me back in there. Okay. So I post trading view charts. Post a picture of the chart. Entries, exits, and percentages for the risk and return. Yeah. This is how it looks on your end. Hold on. So when you get the trades, you'll see the chart, you'll see the trade, boom, showing you the risk. That's one thing we need to fix. This is we're risking 9%. You just look at the coordinates, put the exact coordinates in that you see. This gives the order type. If you see just sell or buy, it's obviously market execution. Other than those, I'll put limit order or stop order right here on the order type, depending on what it is, and then I'll give you that entry. Okay, so gold is still doing the same thing. We're pretty much watching gold from this level, and we said if gold continues to trade um, underneath this level, then we could see there's a chance we could see that continuation in this downtrend on gold. So, all right, guys, that is it. We will wait to see how everything that we played plays out, and I will see you guys during the next London session. tomorrow. Well, yeah, tomorrow morning from 3:30 to 4:30. Be trading London. So we'll pretty much be monitoring these positions all week and finding different trade setups. So we're going live from London session Monday through Thursday, 3:30 to 4:30. Going live for the New York session 9:30 to 10:30. Monday through Thursday, live charting sessions Sunday and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow the IG page TK Profit underscore on Facebook. It's TK Profit Jerome Wheeler. Yeah, thank you. So, wow, looks like we will see this move. But I am about to log off. You guys, you have a great day. Remember, you one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same? Be blessed and trade without stress. You guys are amazing. And yeah, have a great day. We're out. We're out.